Okay guys, so to start off with, just create a new layer, and also I'm using this color palette, and I will give you guys a link to this color palette down in the description box so that you guys can use this palette too. And here what I'm doing is I am picking up technical pen from inking brush set, and I am picking up this color right here as you guys just saw in the video, and I'm using this color to create the base for the hair strand. So as you guys can see, I'm creating this really like soft waves, and it's up to you what type of curl you want to draw. And once you're happy with the shape of it, just go ahead and pick up blending brush and pick up soft airbrush for blending brush. Now here you have to blend it out, and for the blending technique that you want to use right here is to just make sure you're not completely making the hair strand disappear. You just have to blend it really lightly so that the blending tool spreads the color of the hair strands, creating a nice good base for the hair strand. And also the hair strand should be visible, it should not be completely disappeared from the canvas. So I hope this is making sense. That's how you want to blend this out. As you guys can see, it is creating this really nice and soft looking base for the whole hair strand. Now once you're happy with that, what you want to do is you want to create a new layer again and place it underneath the first layer as I just did right here. Now once you have that, you just have to pick up soft airbrush and start creating hair-like strokes again. And this time they are going to be a bit thicker than the previous ones. And also make sure to use soft airbrush. Now once you're done, again just go ahead and pick up your blending tool and blend those out, not completely but just really lightly. And here what I'm doing is I'm just kind of filling up the gaps that we have in the hair strands so that we can create a good base for the whole hair strand. Now once you have that, what you want to do is you want to pick up this really dark looking brown color, and you want to add this just between the gap, just to create some depth between the hair strands. And also once you are done with that, you also again want to blend those out, and I'm changing the layer mode to multiply. Now once you're happy with all of that, what you want to do is you want to pick up light pen from luminance brush set, and I'm using this brush to create more hair strands. This time they are really thin, and also you want to make sure you are creating those flyaway kind of look to the whole hair strand, or the baby hair kind of look, the hair that usually sticks out of your head. That's what I am creating right here. And yeah, once you are happy with the result, you want to pick up the blending tool again, but make sure you're not blending this completely out. Just go over those hair strands really lightly, and you don't really have to do much about it. Now once you're done with that too, you want to create a new layer again, and this time we are going to be adding highlights, and for that too I'm using light pen from luminance brush set. Now for adding highlight, what I'm doing is I'm just adding these little lines in the direction where the hair strands are going, or the individual hair are going, and I'm just creating those harsh looking highlights, and then I'm just going over them with the blending tool, just blending those out. Now that was the base for the highlight. Now once you're happy with that, you want to pick up the light brush from luminance brush set, and you want to add harsh looking highlights like little dots over that base, just to kind of enhance that highlight. And that is it guys, that is it. You are done with the blonde curly hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday and Friday. Also, if you create something out of my tutorial, then tag me on Instagram. I go through each and every one of you, and I really appreciate that. Other than that, I will see you guys the next time.